In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Mailchimp background color. Let's start with the very first step, which involves logging into your Mailchimp account. To do this, navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email in the designated field. After you've entered those details, you'll need to type in your password. Once all your credentials are correctly inputted, go ahead and click on the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. Now that we're successfully logged in, it's time to dive into the heart of our tutorial. Begin by clicking on the Create button found at the top right corner of the home page. This step is crucial as it leads us to the creative aspect of Mailchimp, where all the magic happens. Upon clicking Create, you'll be presented with several options. Look for the Design Email button and click on it. You'll then be directed to choose a specific campaign or project you wish to work on. Again, click on Design Email when you find the campaign you want to adjust. Now here comes the fun part, choosing a style to preview. This is where you get a glimpse of what your email could look like. Feel free to explore the different styles available until you find one that catches your eye. When you're ready, click on Exit Preview to go back to the editing interface. You'll notice that we're gradually inching closer to our primary goal. The next step requires a bit of exploration. Look for the option that says Scratch to edit the color of the background. This might seem a bit tricky at first, but you're essentially looking for the Styles tab, which will allow us to tweak the background color. Once you've found and clicked on Styles, a new layer of options will open up. In these options, locate and click on Email. This is essential for altering the entire email's background color rather than just sections of it. Upon clicking Email, you'll see an option labeled Background Color. Click on it and a color palette should appear. This palette offers a myriad variety of colors to choose from. Here, the world is your oyster. You can play around with the colors until you find the perfect one that fits your brand or message. It could be a soothing pastel shade, a vibrant neon, or a professional dark tone. Once you click on a color, it might feel like a leap of faith, but fear not. Mailchimp instantly shows you a preview of how that color looks as your background. This real-time preview is incredibly helpful in making immediate adjustments if the color doesn't turn out as expected. After selecting the desired color, it's crucial to remember to save the changes you've made. There's usually a save button at the top or bottom of the page. Don't overlook this step, otherwise all your efforts in selecting the perfect background color would be for naught. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background color of your email campaign in Mailchimp. The process, as you've seen, is quite straightforward but demands a bit of patience and a willingness to explore. A few additional tips to keep in mind include considering the readability of your text against the new background color. Ensure there's enough contrast so that your message is easily readable by all recipients. Also, remember that colors can look differently on various devices and screen types. Therefore, it might be worthwhile to send a test email to yourself first. By following these detailed steps, you're not just changing the background color, you're also setting the mood and tone of your entire email. Colors have the power to influence perception, and choosing the right one can significantly impact how your message is received. Remember, the goal of any email campaign is not just to inform, but also to engage and connect with your audience on a deeper level. So, don't be afraid to experiment with colors to find what best represents your message and brand. Happy emailing, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Mailchimp tutorials like this one.